Hi everyone, Jefferson Graham here. We are continuing our road trip down the Orange County Coast Highway. Next stop, Huntington Beach, a.k.a. Surf City. So get out your cameras everyone, let's go on a photo walk. So greetings from Huntington Beach, a.k.a. Surf City. Wish you were here, but you are. If you're new to the Photowalks channel, do yourself a favor, hit the subscribe button now and the bell for the latest updates. This channel is all about where, when, and how to get great photos to light up your social media. I'm Jefferson Graham. I'm a lifelong photographer, video maker, and writer. The Photowalks channel is all about encouraging everyone to walk down the street using their camera eyes to take more of it in and hopefully get tips on how to light up their social media. Are you ready? Let's get out your cameras and go on a photo walk of Huntington Beach. Come on, everyone. Huntington Beach is 6 miles down the coast highway from our first stop on the road trip, Seal Beach. It's best known for its devotion to the art of surfing, a cool, funky main street where there's always action, the beachfront, of course, and that majestic pier, one of the longest in California at over 1,800 feet.
We've had amazing sunsets where you got the pier, you got Catalina in the background, so you can kind of, if you can line it up with a guy on the wave and the sunset and Catalina back there, or like Palos Verdes, that'd be the money shot.
Definitely somewhere around the pier or on top of the pier is really iconic.
And that's a wrap for our photo walk from Huntington Beach, California. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please share, please comment. Please subscribe. If you have any questions about anything we discussed on this video, hit me up in the comments. Look for me on Twitter or Instagram where I'm at Jefferson Graham. So next time we'll be continuing down the Orange County Coast Highway. Next stop, Newport Beach. So get out your cameras. Please join me on a photo walk. I'm Jefferson Graham. Thanks for watching.